dash fire pot. Immorality, injustice, inequality, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, racism, sexism, cannibalism. Who do you think you are? Small world. We cannot think you are. Small world. Small world. But not think you are. Small world. Small world. All over the world, we don't think about that. No, you don't know. No, not there. Right now, boss, everybody out here. Everybody out here. Everybody out here. I will make the same. In Rastafari. How much they going up this way? For all those innocent coming down the chain. You have to pay for the shot for the chain. I'll pay for the washing of the rain. I'll pay for the smoke and water. Somebody request something for me. Can somebody request something for me? Who's the bomber? Who's the bomber? Who's the bomber? Who's the bomber? What up? Burning you. Burning. You are coming out. All of the people who believe in yourself again. All of the people who are going to sit up. More love, more love, more love, more love, more love. We need more love and trust. Justice is all that we need. So let us speak and trust, so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That will make us achieve. And I don't lie. they always do what they wanna do, and they always say what they never do. And the words they speak, yes, it's never true. Still a pressure them apply. After them see cars and living, it getting so high. But everything gone sky high. What I never when the people men, when the people find, them don't like that sky is the limit. But still when we ready for my shield, them a tell me say finish. Long time slavery abolished and diminished. You don't